I would just like to call upon one of our very special and esteemed guests for just to say a few words of welcome. Coming in from New York City, we picked him up this morning, had a great conversation on the way here. I'd like to invite Professor Gaetano Cipolla just to say a few words. Professor?
Thank you very much. Good evening. I am president of Arba Sicula. I don't know how many of you have ever heard Arba Sicula, but we are located in New York, and we are an organization, a unique organization that promotes the Sicilian language and culture in the world. We have at least one member in every state of the Union, and as I said before, we promote the Sicilian language, not dialect, because in America and in Canada probably, people think that Sicilian is a dialect. Sicilian is not a dialect. Sicilian is a language. It is the first language ever used. The first language ever used for poetic purposes was Sicilian. And I'm not the one who said that. Dante Alighieri said that. The first 150 years of Italian poetry was written in Sicilian. So don't think that Sicilian is a dialect or an oral language. We have a wonderful, vast literature that I have translated into English. And I brought some books that are sitting over there. I don't know if any of you will have a chance to see it. If you want to go and look, you're certainly welcome to it. You can join Arba Sicula. It only costs $30 a year. And we produce Arba Sicula, which is a bilingual Sicilian English magazine, plus two newsletters every year. And we also do all kinds of other things. So if you're interested in promoting Sicilian language and culture, you can talk to me afterwards. So I am grateful, to people who invited me here, and I wish you a good night. Thank you.